Alright, you guys, so my trip has led me to Chattanooga, so we're going to see what goes on out here. I actually seen a bridge that is no longer in service. It's called the Walnut Bridge, so we're going to try to see if we can get over there and get you guys some images. Hope you guys enjoy this video. One more thing, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Hey babe, kind of looks like a White House. There's a naked statue. A naked statue.
My friends always take a picture of that.
That's you. That's you.
What is this?
All the boys from the bus to start taking pictures of it. Mom, I've been here before. Yeah, I've been that.
No.
What's in it?
In.
Boring stuff.
A lot of stuff in there.
A lot of boring stuff. Real fun.
That's pretty. Baby, we were gonna have to look into this. What this Hunter Museum is.
I've been in that. Wait, no. Yeah, I've been in that. Inside of that, there's an upstairs that literally looks like the richest place in the world.
I've never seen it. I never even heard of it.
There's a gift shop in that too.
What is this statue, babe?
That's the I'm super rich with my wife statue.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Right there, right there. Oh,
Free money.
it's in your house. It's in your house. You take it to the house. Wow.
Good mom, too. You can't really get rich. There's a skeleton wooden horse. That thing's my favorite. That's my favorite statue. For real.
You hear that? Mom? Mom? Open the door.
What's up, babe? What's up? Hey. Stay right there, Patrick. So, I'm underneath the Hunter Museum, and I'm actually looking at the old Walnut Bridge. It's actually no longer in service for vehicles, and it is just used as a tourist attraction. What a beautiful city. Beautiful city. Beautiful city. There's the I believe, the Chattahoochee River. Pretty neat. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get ready to walk down to the bridge, and then I'll check back in with you guys as soon as I get on the bridge.
I love it.
It's nice, isn't it, baby?
Yeah, I love it.
It's not nice.
It's nice. It's cold. Never look down. Patrick, I triple dog dare you. Patrick, I triple dog dare you to look down. I triple dog dare you.
JJ, I triple dog dive.
That's not a dog.
You like the dog?
Yeah, that's a police dog. And this
Police
is-
dog.
Yeah. Well, that's a police dog.
Look at that, babe. Ken, no.
Mom.
Hey, babe. Come here. Look at that. See that off in the distance? That building?
Yeah.
That is definitely abandoned.
This is not a
Yeah, look at it. The windows are busted out of it and everything.
bridge. I'm so tiny. I can't. Wow, that one is so awesome bridge. And that one's awesome bridge. And lock bridge. Daddy?
Yeah.
We have no friends.
Alright, so here we are walking on the bridge. Over there in the distance there's an abandoned place. I'm going to try to figure out how to get there. Hopefully. And maybe go inside if I can. Give you guys some good content.
Where's Mom?
Just, you know, remember to hit the subscribe button and the like button so I can bring you more scenery like this. Patrick, calm down.
Alright.
You'll be alright. I'm telling you, there is nothing that you have to be worried about. Nothing. Everything will be fine. Kinky, are you with me? I know, right?
It's wet.
You alright?
Yep. Okay.
You alright?
Yep. I can hear you. Oh yeah,
I know, right? Crocodiles? You think so?
Mackenzie, I'm terrified. No! That you wouldn't want to follow like I mean, I really want to carry a short, good, stable bridge, but I mean, like,
Patrick, this is a good stable bridge.
huh?
This is a good stable bridge.
I mean, like, short.
Hey, babe.
Hey! Hey, this bridge and he's scared
In the window, in the wall.
of spiders and things. Patrick, you love this bridge? I love
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
It's a puppy.
You got this, Patrick.
I know, I do got this. I like your dog. Welcome.
I love all the puppies. I will pet that one. That was my favorite.
God. So, we're gonna be walking up the hill.
Patrick.
I think I can make it.
Come on, there we go.
I dare you to shut up. Yeah.
John Bridge.
What do you think, sweetie?
Yeah?
Sorry, Mom. Can you look at the bottom? Okay, good.
You like it, Kinkin?
Yes,
I like it too, Chris. It's really good.
I love it.
And I like it.
Me too. And you don't like it?
And I thought this was Atlanta.
What's this? What's this? Hey!
Alright, y'all, so my video has completed. We finished our tour here at Coolidge Park. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And one more thing, just be you, do you, and just explore and have fun. Life is adventure.